What's up, guys? For this look, I don't want too much of a cakey, full coverage foundation look, so I'm just going to put a light layer and blend it out. I'm taking my favorite e.l.f. Camo Concealer in a way lighter shade just for a base. I love using this for pretty much all of my eyeshadow looks lately. I'm just going to blend this out on the areas where I'm going to be putting the color on my face, so I'm not really doing a contour or anything. I'm just using this as a lighter base. I'm also going to set everything with my Coty Airspun powder. So I'm taking my makeup sponge and I'm just starting with the lightest purple and working my way up to the darker purple and blending it and layering it and just wherever I feel like it needs to be. Going in with the darkest purple now, and in the photo she has a very dark purple nose, so I'm making sure to get that in there. I'm taking a brush now because it gives a different texture when I dab it on like this. It's not as smooth looking, so you just gotta play with different techniques. I mean, you might have your own technique to get the perfect nebula look, but this is just what I was doing. I'm going on with pink just to add on certain little places. I'm trying not to put too much pink, even though it looks very pink on camera. It's not as pink as it's showing. I'm taking this blue liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild. It's a liquid lipstick, but I'm using it as a base for the blue part of this. It actually worked really well, but for some reason on camera it looks staticky. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to be putting a light blue shimmer shade on top of that, and yeah, you can really see it here. It looks staticky on the camera for whatever reason. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild paint pot and the same liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to be layering them on top of each other to look more like a cloud slash star slash, I don't know, a nebula, the galaxy, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. Now in her painting, she has very concentrated, deep pink cheeks, so I'm attempting to do that here. Now looking back on it, I probably should have used red, but it is what it is. Again, we're just layering and layering and blending and layering. I'm just putting white eyeshadow on top of my lids because I'm not doing too much as far as eyelid makeup goes. And then I'm lining my waterline with black. Never forget mascara. It's so important whenever you have eyeshadow or makeup on your face because your eyelashes will show the eyeshadow that's fallen onto them. So here I'm taking that Wet n Wild white face paint again, and I'm just adding dots all over. It's very hard to do when I don't have a liquid liner, so I recommend using a white liquid liner if you have it for this. I misplaced mine, so it was a little bit difficult, but I managed to try different techniques to try and get them on there as best as I could. Like right here, I'm bending a bobby pin just because I feel like it would work better as far as adding more round dots and stars. Now I'm taking this Colourpop Villains holographic glitter and I'm just going to add that all over wherever I feel like it needs to be. I'm taking this Kiss eyelash glue. It's clear and it's going to be the adhesive for the star glitter that I'm applying. I got this glitter in the party section in Walmart, so it's not like meant to be for makeup, but just be careful if you use large confetti on your face around your eyes. Okay? Okay. The name of these lashes will not be in the description because I do not remember what they're called. They're just a random pair that I had in my lash box, so deal with it. I'm just taking some pink eyeshadow and putting it on top of the chapstick that I put on. And here's the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it so much more than you even understand. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.